Hey everyone, thanks for coming back to my channel, Stay Forever True. In this video, I'm going to be showing you all how I'm setting up my very first container garden in the back of my townhome. I'm doing it with the help of my husband and my 2 little girls. I'm super excited to be growing our own fruits and vegetables. We have a plant-based diet, and I'm just excited to have fresh fruits and vegetables for my family to live more sustainable. And I think especially in these times with everything going on, it's important for us to know where our food is coming from, and knowing that at the end of the day we can go in our backyard, we can get our own food, and we can feel sustainable and know that our food is coming from a great source and it's super fresh. So I will be doing more videos throughout the season to tell you all how everything is going. Let me know if you have any tips or suggestions or anything in the comments section. I hope you all are inspired by this video. Thanks again for watching. Enjoy the video. Okay, so with doing gardening, container gardening, you need containers. So I just went around my house to see what containers I already have. This is a little tub that I got from the dollar store a while back. I got this. It's specifically for a blueberry bush that I just bought. It needs to be pretty deep, so I got this from Home Depot, of course, for a little over $3. This is a pot that I already had. This is a bucket from the Dollar Tree. This is just a stand that I can use just to get my plants off of the ground, because I really don't want my plants sitting on the ground. This is another one that you can get for like 88 cents at Walmart or Target. Put drainage holes in them, and you can use this for like lettuce or spinach because they don't need a lot of depth. And then I can put it on here again just to get things off of the ground. And then my mom, for whatever reason, she collects these Folgers containers, and I was like, oh, I can use this for putting, like I said, lettuce, kale. You can put kale in a really big container like this and it'll grow huge, but you can also grow them in smaller containers. So I was like, okay, I can use that. I mean, it's free, so may as well use it. And then I have this that I got from the Dollar Tree as well. I'm gonna be planting some strawberries, and I'm gonna actually have them coming out of these holes. I'm gonna cut it a little bit so they can come out of the holes, because strawberries, they grow out, they grow down, and they hang, and this would be really nice to have for that. And it already has drainage holes, and I'm just gonna line this with burlap that I have so that the soil doesn't come out. But I have 12 of these Folgers containers. And then I was at Menards and they had this grow bag. So it's actually a burlap bag, and it costs $1.50. The photo. It's a little grow bag, and it's not super deep, but it is pretty wide. So I'm thinking I can put a decent amount of stuff in here. It's pretty wide. It has like a kind of like a wax interior to it so that the dirt doesn't fall out. It has a drainage hole at the bottom to help with the draining. So it was only $1 and some change, so I figured why not, and it'll be easy to carry this because it has the handles. So this is my patio space at the back of our townhome. So if you can see those white spots, is when I used to have containers out here and I didn't do anything with them. And so yeah, anyways, so we're gonna get started. Let me take Maddie's shoes back in. Okay, so I got this potting soil from Menards. It was like $2.50 for 0.75 cubic feet, and I was looking at what is it, like Miracle Grow and all that jazz, and their potting soil was 2 cubic feet for like $10. So this is definitely a deal. And every video I looked at said, don't worry about the potting soil, just get whatever's on sale. So that's what I did. So we're gonna take these in the house, y'all. I definitely like didn't really want to go for gold, but that's what I had on hand. And you know what, I feel like it's gonna give a vibe, right, with the green and everything. It's gonna look pretty different, but I'm gonna leave some of them regular, just with the regular label on it, so that if I want to go ahead and spray something different later, I will spray it. Even though it will have the plants in it, I'll still find a way to spray it if I want to, probably like a black color, or even like a pretty cream or gray would be cute with the gold. But I did do a few of them like that, and I marked off where I want to drill holes. Chris is going to drill them for me, so I was like, okay, well, I'll just mark them off for you, thank you, you know. So this is what I'm gonna have my blueberry in. So I'm going to have some draining holes in there. I feel like I should have a little bit more since it's such a big bucket. So yeah, so I'm just marking off where I want him to drill holes.
There we go. Okay, what you need now? Oh, all rest of these?
Yep.
Okay, but just put one on top, yeah.
Hey, what you doing?
You plugged up? Was the red light on?
Yep.
Okay. So what you want, the bigger ones or smaller ones?
Let's do the big one in the middle hole and see what it look like. Alright y'all, so I already just got some potting soil in here, and I'm gonna add in some plant food. I gotta see how much you're supposed to do. So 1/2 cup per cubic foot of growing mix for seeds starting in bedding. Oh, no, 30. For vegetable gardens, add 1 cup for 1/2 cup per cubic foot. Okay, so this is 0.75 cubic foot. So I'm gonna put like a little under 1/2 cup in here. These little yogurt containers holds about 1 cup of water, so I figure 1/2 of that would be good for our plant food. Right, Maddie?
Yeah.
Yeah. Gloves.
Gloves.
Can you say gloves?
Gloves.
Can you put that in here? Put it in here. Thank you. All of it. Get it all in there. Pour it in there. There's still some more. Just go. Perfect. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna mix it up.
Get up. Get up.
Oh, dirty. Don't touch it. Dirty. Good job. Maddie, get back in here. Wipe your hands. Go.
All done.
All done. Okay, go play. Go play.
Happy.
Okay, so right now we're going to plant some arugula, and then some regular leaf lettuce. Madison has been messing with these seeds since I bought them, so I'm sure she's gonna be excited. So it's my first time growing lettuce, and from what I've seen on videos, everyone just says to just like sprinkle it in. So what I'm gonna do is just create 2 rows, probably 3. Well, I'll do 2 rows here. Okay, can you do it? Line. Good job. 1 and 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right. So.
So, plants.
Plants. Okay, come here. Which one are we gonna put the arugula in? Let's do it in this one. You think this one will be okay? Or in this one? Which one?
This one?
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. So you gotta pick up this. You gotta pick it up and put it in there, like this. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Good job.
And you see. See. Let's see. This.
Hopefully I'm doing this right, y'all. I just got them in this little row, and then I'm just gonna cover them up. And Madison is still putting dirt in there. Okay. Okay. Are they covered up good, Maddie? Just cover them up. Just cover, cover, cover. Oh my gosh, these are some big, like, pellets of stuff. But anyways, cover it up, and we're gonna see how that goes. Yeah. This is what the lettuce leaves look like. I mean, seeds look like. Seeds. Okay, you ready?
Ready.
Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Right here. Good job. Right here. Right there. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. All done.
Plants.
Alrighty.
Ready.
Now, mommy's gonna cover it up, okay?
Okay.
Good job, Maddie. Yay. Good job, Maddie. Yay, good job. Give me a high five. Yay.
Mouse. Walk.
Say bye, seeds. I'll see you later, seeds.
Bye.
We're gonna water it.
Water.
We'll water it later, okay?
Okay.
So I'm just getting the blueberry tree out of its original packaging, and I went ahead and put it in a 5-gallon bucket from Home Depot because that's what I was told is the best container to use because it's super deep. And I'm just hoping that this freaking tree survives and thrives because it's going to be so fun to have blueberries and for Madison to pick them off and to see them and be like, whoa, wow. I just think it's going to be so cool to grow our own fruits and vegetables in our backyard. I hope you all are inspired by this video, and make sure that you continue to watch because I'm going to give you all updates on my garden as we go through the season. So in this clip, I'm growing broccoli. So I did it from a starter plant, and what you want to do is make sure that you wet the starter plant first before you get it out of the pot that it's in, and then you want to break up the root system just a little bit, gently break it up and put it in your next container so that the roots can actually spread out and grow within that next container. And after doing some research, I realized that broccoli actually needs a deeper container to grow in. So do your research and see what size containers that you need so that you're not like me and you have to go back and forth with things, because you want your fruits and vegetables to get to, its maturity so you can actually harvest them and get some good, fruit and veggies off of them. So definitely do your research beforehand. And I was outside with both of the girls. I had a great time out there with them. I did eventually have to put Madison in the double stroller with her sister, and I just gave them some snacks and let them hang out in there while I was finishing up everything. But I had so much fun. She was being such a good baby out there. So definitely get outside with your family, grow something, do something outside, enjoy the weather, enjoy each other. All right, so I got everything situated. I have this container that I was gonna do onions in. So I don't know if I'm doing this right, but I broke up all my onions and separated them by the root. I should have filmed it, but I didn't. But anyways, there were maybe 6 of them in each little pellet of dirt in those little containers, those grow containers, and I separated them so that they're all their individual ones. I'm gonna just put this in the dirt, all of these individually in the dirt. So I'm thinking that I'm not going to use that container because it's just so floppy for what I'm trying to do, and instead I'm going to try to pack all of these onions into this container. So we're going to see how this works, and I will be back to show you all the results. Okay, plus this takes up a lot of dirt, and as you can see, this is all the dirt I have left, and I still needed to grow starter plants from seed, and I also need to grow my strawberries. So I'm gonna have to make another run to the store later on this week when I get a chance. All right, y'all, so we got onions, arugula and lettuce, kale and broccoli, blueberry, kale and broccoli, and then I got the rest of my soil in there, and I got some mulch over there. And this is the mulch that I bought. It's like a red mulch. It's supposed to help keep the moisture in your plants. I didn't put it on all of them. Honestly, I'm tired. My freaking back is killing me. I'm tired. I did a hard day's work out here in these fields. I'm about to go in, feed these kids, and relax for a minute. All right, y'all.